Hello, Flow fans. So today I'm going to give you a tip around referencing records when using the new Common Data Service current environment connector. And what I mean by that is the new connector that we have available out there. So when we're creating a flow and we're typing in Common Data Service, we can choose between two different triggers, the older Common Data Service one, as well as the new latest and greatest Common Data Service current environment version. All right, so let's jump into a flow that I've created and let's see how we can reference records when we're using this new connector. So in this flow, the flow is fired off when a project is created in the Common Data Service. The next action that we have is to get that project record that was just created with a get record action. This is because we want to get our hands on the entity name. And after that, we have a compose action, and we're using first split, last split to really get the entity name out of the output of this get record action. And then as a final step, we have a new, the last action, create a new record where we are referencing the output of the compose right here. So in the older Common Data Service connector, what we could just use is a dynamic content by just typing in this example, project, and choosing a GUID, a value for project right here. But with the new connector, that does not work. So we need to have an entity name in front of that GUID. Now we could also type in the entity name manually. So I would just type in ms underscore msdyn underscore projects and then include this project dynamic content. But what I want to do is really just dig out the entity name from this get record action. So let's see how this looks when we actually fire off the flow. So let's navigate back. Let's jump into project service and create a new record real quick. So the name is flow test. Then let's navigate back to the flow. Let's give it a few seconds to fire off. All right, it's running. And looking at the get record action and scrolling down on the outputs, we can find the name of the entity. Whoa, that went too far. We can find the name of the entity under OData edit link. So here on the compose, what we're getting from that expression is that name of the entity and then the GUID after that. And as we can see, the last action is successful, so a new project task, in this case, has been created. So I hope this helps you reference records using the new Common Data Service current environment connector. It's a bit of a trick, but with an expression like this, you can get a hang of it. Thanks. Have a good one.